Get race day ready with real race smells in your car. Mr. Pilot Fragrance is speeding his way straight to you. Act quick and pick from a wide range of Sparco Mr. Pilot fragrances. Available to purchase in stores now.
Introducing the Sparco 7K700 Child Safety Seat. With multiple installation options and safety features such as the adjustable headrest and ISO fix system that allows for direct connection and is compatible in any vehicle. You can be confident your child is comfy with a wider backrest and safe with a side impact protection. Easily and quickly install using the top tether in any vehicle. Just slide the belt through and latch at the bottom and you're done. You can recline the seat with one hand. Press the button for quick release to help your little one in and out of our stylish seat. Tighten the safety belt harness with a push of a button and then pull snugly. Use the installation mode 2 for older children. A slight adjustment to the headrest will support their neck and head and keep them comfortable and secure. You'll be ready to take on your day in Sparco style with the Sparco 7K700 Child Safety Seat. Check out our website to order your own and enjoy the safety and style for yourself.
Get race day ready with real race smells in your car. Mr. Pilot Fragrance is speeding his way straight to you. Act quick and pick from a wide range of Sparco Mr. Pilot fragrances. Available to purchase in stores now.